Skin prep is the foundation to a natural, flawless looking tan. So I wanted to break down my self-tanning routine into a series of steps, starting with skin prep. So the night before, be sure to shave and exfoliate, paying special attention when exfoliating to your elbows, hands, knees, and feet. Do not moisturize that night until the next day, right before your self-tan application, focusing only in the areas you have exfoliated, because the moisturizer can act as a barrier if you put it anywhere else. And you are good to go with your next step of applying your self-tan. Welcome back to episode 2 of my self-tanning series. Today we're talking all things application. Firstly, moisturizer and the right tanning tools are your best friend when it comes to a natural, flawless looking tan. A velvet mitt is a must so that the product glides on easily, and be sure to work in upward strokes, covering and blending as you go. I like to start from the feet and work my way upwards. For the face, I love a brush to blend the tanner out easily without the worry of messy hands afterwards. Lastly, apply some moisturizer to your hands, feet and ankles so the tan blends in seamlessly. Also apply a tiny bit more to your elbows and knees to avoid these dry areas drinking up your tan and making it appear darker. Welcome back to episode 3 of my self-tanning series. Today we are talking about the best top to toe tanning products to give you the most natural, streak-free, glowing tan. Now, I have tried many body self-tanners, and in my opinion, the holy grail has to be self-tanning mousse. These glide on easily and work perfectly with a velvet mitt. Plus, I love the fact you have a colour guide so you can see where you have and haven't tanned. The result is always flawless, and I find the mousse fades the most naturally because of its lightweight formula. For the face, it has to be tanning drops that you mix in with moisturizer. I love these because they're customizable, whether you want a subtle glow or just a little bit more colour. These are also great applied with a brush for a less messy application, and you can add a few drops in with your AM or PM moisturizer and build up the colour if desired.